Honor has announced it will launch the Honor 200 and Honor 200 Pro on May 27th in China. Chinese website, revealing their designs and colors. The Honor 200 and 200 Pro will be available in 4 colors, and their camera islands on the rear have similar designs. However, the vanilla model packs a punch-hole display, while the Pro version has a pill-shaped notch. The Honor 200 series features an oval-shaped camera module on the back panel, and this houses triple camera sensors and an LED flash. Both smartphones will feature 50MP primary cameras with OIS. The Honor 200 series will use the OV50H sensor. There could be a 32MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom. Honor 200 Pro will come with a 1.5K display. In comparison, the Honor 100 came with just a 1080p panel. Honor 200 could ship with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, while the Honor 200 Pro could get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. The phone might pack a 5200 mAh battery with 100W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.